Shani.
And I'm Tony.
And we're here from the Great Outdoor Gym Company to teach you how to use our equipment to do some circuit training.
Now before exercising, you should always do a correct warm-up. I feel that the cross trainer and the ski machines are the best way to do these warm-ups, but you can use any of our cardio equipment down here at the gym.
So after your warm-up, we'd suggest that you start with your legs. Tony, what would you recommend for the leg section?
Shani, we've got the leg press over here at most of our TGO gyms, and this is great for beginners. It works all of your lower legs, and it's a great starting point.
And then what about if you wanted to go a little bit more advanced?
If you wanted to go a little bit more advanced, you could up your reps. Instead of doing 8 to 10 reps, you could do 10 to 12 reps. And then also, as a rest, instead of just taking a rest, you could then come off of the machine and do squats there.
Sounds good. When working with circuit training, we recommend that you use 5 different types of exercise. Now, we've already tackled the legs, so now we suggest that you move on to the core section. Tony, what can you recommend?
Well, to do our core, we've got our leg raises over here at the TGO gyms. This is brilliant for your core, and after doing your legs, it's a perfect thing to go on to.
And if you wanted to make it a little bit more advanced?
If you wanted to make it a little bit more advanced, instead of raising your knees straight up to your chest, you can raise your legs straight out. That'll be a little bit harder on your stomach and a bit more work.
Perfect. Following your core section, we then recommend that you move on to the back. Tony?
I suggest that we use the lateral pull down for that. You can get a really good feel for your back, and again, we're doing 6 to 10 reps on that.
And if we wanted to make it a little bit more advanced, is there anything that we can do?
Yes, on our machines, instead of having our feet placed flat on the floor, we can raise our feet, therefore we're lifting more weight and it'll be a more advanced workout.
So that's 3 of the 5 exercises. So far we've taken care of your legs, your abs and your back. Now we're going to move on to the chest area. Tony, what can you recommend?
So our chest area, we can be easily done by the chest press over there at one of the stations. This again, we're going to be doing between 6 to 10 reps, and that's a brilliant little workout for your chest.
And if you wanted to make it a little bit more advanced for all those people with experience with the chest press?
You can use the same as the lat pull down. Instead of having your feet placed firmly on the ground, you can lift your feet up. Therefore, again, you're lifting more weight and it's a little bit more advanced.
And now for the 5th and final exercise in your TGO Circuit Training workout. We've already taken care of all of the rest of the body, so all that's left to deal with is the shoulders, the arms, and this one even includes the back. Tony?
So for our final station, I would suggest we go and use the pull-up station. This is brilliant for your shoulders, your arms, and also your back.
So Tony, what about if you wanted to make it a little bit easier or a little bit more advanced?
So here at the TGO gyms, we have an assisted pull-up and a normal pull-up. The assisted pull-up is more for the beginners as it helps you up, and the advanced pull-up is no assistance whatsoever. It's pretty difficult.
Well done, you've now completed your 5-station TGO circuit. Now all that's left to do is your cool down. Tony?
Well, Shani, after working out that hard, it is important that we get our body back to the state that it was in before exercises. Now I suggest that you use any part of our cardio equipment to do that. And again, we're cooling down for about 5 or 10 minutes, just getting our body temperature back down.
And I'd also suggest that you do some stretches, because it's really good to have a good stretch after your workout.
Just a quick bit of advice for those that are new to exercising, our older adults, and also those that may be pregnant, are pregnant, or have just given birth. Make sure you go and have a chat with your doctor just before you come down and use the facilities. And on days like this, make sure you stay hydrated.